Hi friends, welcome to AB classes and I am Abhishek Dhar. I have started this YouTube channel for giving free online coaching from class 9 to class 12. So this YouTube channel is free and I will cover syllabus from class 9 to class 12. The third point is that I will be covering board examination plus entrance examination. The fourth point is that first of all I will start from NCERT book. After completing NCERT book, I will also teach the other books available, available in the market. In NCERT book, first I will teach you the chapter and I will make videos of a chapter, and I will be splitting these videos from like part 1, part 2, part 3. In this way I will make videos. First I will teach the chapter, then I will teach the exercise questions. The subject I will be covering is physics and chemistry. So this is the syllabus of class 9. From class 9 I will start. This is the syllabus of class 9 and this is the content of NCERT book. First chapter is matter in our surrounding. This is a chapter of chemistry. Second chapter is matter around us pure. This is also the chapter of chemistry. And the third chapter is atoms and molecules. This is also the chapter of chemistry. Fourth chapter is structure of atom. This is also the chapter of chemistry. Very interesting chapter. This and this. Very interesting chapter. So in chemistry there are 4 chapters. In physics there is 5 chapters. The first chapter is motion. Second chapter is force and laws of motion. Very basic chapters. Third chapter is gravitation. Fourth chapter is work and energy. And the fifth chapter is sound. And the rest of the chapter you are seeing. These all are of biology. So in the first video I will be covering the first chapter, that is matter in our surrounding. I will make small videos so that you will be able to understand the chapter from very basic to the advanced level. That's all from AB classes. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.